about Naz over here. Come in, Naz.
Richie, you hear? Oh, she said, alrighty.
Because she knows she love her man for sure.
Good night, people. I'm back. I come out in the good light.
I must jump on here about night.
What you say?
I don't night, but good night, people.
No, because inside the dark a while ago. I come out in the light now. Listen. With that lady there, can you know me for, call me for analyze,
Yeah,
right, people? Yeah. She in love with him, isn't me? And she weak to him, and that's why them said dating important. If you find out the type of people them, cause too much pitney are born in a broken family right now. If you notice, him not dead, him not business about him pitney, him not even love the pitney. You saw me I say, cause if him did love the youth, he would not back and forth. She's supposed to traumatize. 6 years a traumatization. The dirty chef flow, me don't go back in the dance. Because now I watch my teeth.
You can't tell man if you don't watch your teeth. If you have nice teeth, man, you must have very nice teeth.
So, Richie, you need to tell the people what them need to start. Because well, we have man problem, you know, but I feel like me not a man problem too.
Not you ever have man problem.
Richie, you is wicked. Really is wicked. Don't make tall man come over here, come in. I can't remember. When you used to say, when you don't see pity, when you don't see the man.
Remember me know about the man, so I like, remember me know.
Listen. So, what's your name? Alice? Alicia. Look, they have to look on this now. You're strong. You see me, as well, Richie said, you find everything. You find apartment. Find a cheaper apartment. So you don't have to depend on a man to say the reason you have to take him back for help. So find the cheaper thing them. You see me, I say, and just try work it out for you. Your youth, as Richie say. Auntie, you love the man. As a girl type, so you have to go find a man to get over your baby daddy. We then call it rebound. So you have to go get one of them. If I want man who want to carry out on a date and buy a little drinks and have a fun time, you don't have to do with everybody I think about. Because nowadays we women full now. We meet a man when I date them, you know, we are thinking about some longevity. Like I say every man we are married. Some man just there for have fun with it. That's what I say. Yeah, you can add more than one people and mistake. I just love cut off black people. So. Next caller.
Why you never hide a comment? What line, Richie? Because I never want my face show like bam.
Why everybody hide?
Come in, what you feel like?
Why everybody hide?
We don't know where them are hide from.
It's just slapping on my face like wow.
Come in, come talk to it.
Alright, good evening. I let me talk my little one piece.
Ready?
No, Richie. We forgot your name, don't miss darling. We forgot your name. Alright, so me did in a 14-year relationship. Long. We broke it off 2019. Now the reason why I broke it off, the boy I give me bun left, right, and center. In, out, I quit me get bun, me third me get bun. The bun did reach one stage where, put it away. We did good until the last 2 years in the relationship. The last 2 years, him one child, me one pitney. Me already have a daughter, by the way. She is 18 this month. Him not have none. We are same age group. Two we live in England. Okay. Go doctor and find out so the boy sperm count low.
Yeah.
Can't breathe nothing. Suck out.
Yeah.
Cool. I say, alright then. Me build with him because I don't have a daughter already. So me alright. But him no want work with that. Him still determined and still feel like say him want a youth and him go get a youth. It reached to a stage where the boy take a level.
Again.
Yes. No, me say, me now can't stay here so because at the end of the day, and I like me a big man, me have sense. You look at people and say, therefore, there's no condom. Me not go this, me not go sit down right and say, you can't anything come give me. Me not go work with that one day. I said to him, say, me I give you 2 years to fix up. Instead, I'm fix up another 2 years. The boy fix up for like 6 weeks, another 2 years. Yeah, girl, me know, so me give my whole heap of time to fix up. Everybody said that to me, but I just me.
Yeah.
We are come from far, we go through whole heap together.
Yeah, 14 years.
Only 6 weeks in the 2 years and fix up. When I tell him, I said to him, so, no man, this look like this I got break up before the 2 years. You know, woman I investigate, I understand?
Yeah.
So me investigate, but find out that this boy still go out with something. At this time, me in Jamaica, so me turn to him and say to him, say, wish him know, I say, any day me I left you.
Right, true.
Because that's the only way me I forget rid of that boy. If back, me know that. When my dad Jamaica, I keep up a whole heap of things on Instagram. I feel some type of way I'm hurt because I've been hurt. That's why I go to Jamaica to breeze out myself.
Yeah.
Because the boy
stress me out, Lord. Yeah.
So when me end up on the phone and argue, me make him know say here go on me.
Night Joe.
Yeah. Me call somebody at Jamaica. The boy did me didn't like him, but me never want to know with him because we have a relationship.
Yeah.
So I call the boy, I sit the boy say, me him shocked. Anyway, from me street boy say friends, everybody stand up him already, right?
Yeah.
Why me and the boy I tell the boy say if breed me. No, my mama tell you say I'm pregnant of the whole thing, you know. I'm gonna tell the boy if breed me. You don't know say the boy and breed me.
Oh the bumbo. Hold on. You and this man you go say you like him. And you make him bust a juice now you know say you have a man, but you never did want breed.
No man, I want him breed me, man. The new boy at Jamaica, him the boy up here, you know. Remember see the boy up here, you know. Me didn't love the boy, you know.
Yeah.
And the only way we can get to it is I'm upon him. But I don't want it done, otherwise I'm not the type of person who fucky. Put it away, 2 years now, I'm not get rid of you. But in the process, me feeling hurt, because the boy knows not who gave everybody come out of my nose, me just argue with my ex, you know.
Yeah.
You understand? Call this boy feelings, emotional, like this is it. So the boy come as a team say, breed me. Boy breed me, never know say the boy breed me. Until like 5 weeks later, because at the time, 3 months, me at Jamaica for.
Yeah.
You understand? The boy breed me. 5 weeks later, I find out some breed. While me at Jamaica, I end up last the baby do before I come back up here.
Yeah.
You understand? I don't know why, but I just feel like Father God just show me a sign to say nothing wrong with me, girl. You can't breed.
Yeah.
Answer? Alright.
But the baby laugh.
Me tell the boy up here now. Me come up here and me make him know everything what I want. Say, bam, me did actually breed. Me show him the pregnancy test and wait. He move out before me reach back at England because I did tell him to move out of me yard.
Yeah.
So when me come back, nothing a day, I'm do a key well posting. So we done.
Yeah.
But no, Richie, this is the problem. No. The one when me talk to a Jamaica, I'm gonna end up like the boy. Cause remember say this boy breed me in 14 years. Me there try for another people.
Yeah.
And this boy just go back. My mother tell me say one time my father knock around breeding and I never believe her, you know.
Yeah.
Until this boy knock me, you know. But here go on, I'm gonna like the boy come here and say, no man, the boy breed me. I have to go back for another one from the boy. I'm gonna do want an experience. Rich me not tell them that a big girl this month at 18.
Yeah.
I tell like can't use it, but it's sweet. I don't never chew me at long and then a fresh. I don't know, but it is sweet. You just can't use it.
Right.
So alright, me say me I go work with him little. Bam, me reach back at England. Corona chipping. Within the corona chipping, I end up damage myself. I damage one of my foot where I bury my foot from my ankle to my knee.
Yeah.
So that kind of passed me a little bit because I'm still in a healing process. So I get to go back to Jamaica, you know, 2 years now, you know. And me myself, now me I look for go to Jamaica this year, but with the boy at Jamaica, my problem. Him like me. Me determined to me I go back for a pitney. But him not work for Richie. Him did a work, but him not work again.
Yeah.
Now when the whole corona thing come in, I said to him, say, him do music. Him not out there yet, but him the music, him good. So I said to him, say, why don't you push your music and me help you with your music? I try to get a little business and me help you with a little business. Now remember, so me I plan to breed for that man, you know. So therefore, I don't want to kill this baby daddy.
Yeah.
I don't want you to take care of me and I don't want you to take care of Pete. I just want you to do something for you, yourself. You understand?
Yeah.
But right now, Richie, me feel like say me I push that young boy for the too much with that boy and it seems like a theme category of fish list. So my question is, should I just go to Jamaica, go make the boy breed me again and just cut it?
Come on, fly live, my girl. Come on, fly live. Cause you know like yourself. Right?
No, me I tell the truth. Yeah,
I tell you something. You know what I'm to you now, you're hurt. You need to take a break. You can't take that money there and book a flight and go travel to a new country, you know. Go somewhere, go try something different now. You want to bring a child in at this? At this, me I talk about just mash up the kids them of the future. That's why the new generation to fuck up. You see what me I say? Just to spite a man and to try get over here.
No.
I saw you don't want your daughter.
Girl, yeah, get it wrong. The child is not about spiting a man. Remember me tell us that I want a child. Me want a pitney.
So you want a child?
It's not about the baby father. And me personally want a child. So me don't want you get that part of it. It's like me do IVF with a man when me don't know then. It's not about a baby father.
Before you do all of that, girl, you have your money, take a trip. Go explore somewhere new. The world big. Travel. Do something.
We do that already, girl. Maybe travel the Caribbean islands and do that.
Travel to Europe. Go UK. Europe, one of them big.
England, me live. England, me live.
Go Paris.
No one company. Put it away, yeah. One company, I just don't want a man company.
She don't want
buy one dolly.
She said she want
buy one dolly.
Breeder. She said him
that not make sense
because him find the breeding.
Richie, give me your opinion, because she give me your opinion. She not work with me as that. She don't understand what me say.
Work with her because me a woman. Me not take a side and tell them to do foolishness. I'm sorry.
Richie, well, give me your opinion, Richie, because remember me say, me don't want a man, you know. The baby me want as a company, you know. Me not look to take a man, me say,
get one dog, they want Doberman.
I me hear Richie.
I can see true at the whole away upon the live and mostly women upon the live. Them not agree with you. Them not going to agree with you.
Which part them agree with the part? The part where we just want the youth?
You see the part where you say you have a youth already, a youth at 18 next month. And you say you want a company now. Remember say probably I just your hormones that get here because remember say just listen to me, you know. When you have a child, remember say you go back in and something where you do 18 years already, you know. You go back in and something where you say, boy, are you alone if you do this, you know, because in England you have your youth. Him not there.
Well, I Richie, let me stop you there so 1 minute first before you continue. But that's how we are 18. From she had said the last 8 years, me not really say how much, you know, me not really say how much. Her father fight me with her. So to me, I miss that. I want that back. So me now look at baby father for go worried like I'm worried my daughter father first. Me just look at company. I want back a child. You understand where me I come from?
But remember, yeah, me understand this way you're saying. But told the world around now, when two people want something, you know, the child will be more love, you know. You have to love the child unconditionally. But when the father play that part, me just not agree with you say, boy, you just want a youth. If you have other for you.
But we want to stop, Richie, me know why you feel like me the only make all the fathers to the youth, you know. The fathers to the youth. But remember, me that England anywhere, him that Jamaica. And I like this man, I go see the youth constantly 24/7. No. And I like me, I go see my guy yard, him want to see the youth. No, it's not like that. You understand where me I come from? Him not that England. A Jamaican there.
No for we, alright.
Me in a relationship where me I go say, me I go marry the man, carry him come over here. So that's not it yet. Maybe in the future, but that's not the plans yet. Because at the end of the day, Richie, me watch a lot of time. And I hear a lot of people come talk them story about taking up man from Jamaica come foreign. So at the same time, me not 100% depend that yet.
So,
but right now, me just want a company.
So when me I say no, that 14 years, see? That 14 years, remember you're there with that man have a 14 year and you're done with him. You're done with it because, alright, you have a boy where they like, you go to Jamaica, the boy cock you up around one part and get the Jamaican food and water with jerk chicken. And you get that and it nice, yo. See, bam, you go and probably get overexcited and couldn't even believe say you breed. When you really see say you breed now, you come back and you tell this man and say you breed and rare. This man you go to bam and say, I lie, rare, this and that. You show him all kind of things say you breed. Him still not busy that because you did so love him for the 14 year. And come remember, you know, you say after you give him 2 year ultimatum and then in a 6 week him. So, you did love him so much that I don't feel like you fully get over him yet.
No, man, get over him. Get over him.
So, you get over him. But me I say you want a youth, but me never hear a woman really say them things yet like how you said run a business because so much people are so it. You said, I want a youth. I want a company. They might tell us if you got other dog. You don't like dogs, so you don't want a dog. You want...
No, I'm not in the yard. I England, I live in Jamaica. England,
you don't want a cat. You don't want a parrot.
No.
You don't want something.
No.
You want a baby.
You want goldfish, but them don't work.
Sound and them something there. Remember, you know, at the end of the day, you know, anything what you want to do, I could have tell you, say, don't do it, you know. But anything what you decide to do, you know, you have to do it, you know. So, no care how we there, you're talking, if you make up your mind and say, listen, me I come to Jamaica, come get a boy, I want more, you know. I make him give me it, and once my breed, you know, I just tell him have a nice life, and I'm gone, you know.
But me know if you love cut him off like that, Richie. Me don't be love cut him off like that because you are not looking for cut him off like that. Me not look for say me want to pick the boy just myself. Me just in a category where me that England and that Jamaica. Somebody comment and say why you not choose a man of England. Many different reasons. Whole heap of different reasons. As I say about my ex Richie, me rate my ex. I Birmingham I living at the end of the day, I never talk to a man in Birmingham. Every Jamaican in Birmingham know them one another.
Right.
Everybody know them one another. Everybody have them. I know depend that. But at the same time, even though I'm an ex, I will do through a whole heap of things and whatever kick me off, I will never talk to somebody for disrespecting because at the end of the day, it wasn't all that bad. It was just a cheating.
But you can't get
everything else was good.
You can't get a man of London. You can't get a man of
Nah, brother, everybody, let me tell you something. I only take Jamaican, Richie. And it's when you come on to England, London, Birmingham, Lucian, Nottingham, everybody mix up, brother. Everybody mix up. Everybody know them one another. So me now go in it. Me no want to in it. When it's Jamaica now, don't get it twisted. I worry about people over here want to breed me. Because me used to then I dance all scene. And I worry about them want to breed me for a different reason. Man want to breed me for hype. Man want to breed me for proof for my ex. Different reason. I'm not stupid.
Remember, so she
you understand me?
So no cheat, you know. She and the man about there again, you know. Remember, so she and
no man, me and the man left, man. Me and the man, I mean, I disrespect the man at all. I mean, him left, I'm still not disrespect him. You don't ever hear me talk bad things about him. No, we don't have that relationship there. You just at the stage where me at right now, I don't want a man in my life, in my yard either. Because man in England, they're moving, and you don't know when they're moving, you know. You just know when they move out, you know.
Yes, I know
so I'm kind of afraid of that.
Lord, no.
You don't know when they move in, you just know when they move out. You understand me? Me not depend that because when a man come and say your yard nice, clean, comfortable, they move in. I'm not on that. I just want to be free. Mentally, physically free without the stress. We just want a company. I ask some people, but I ask you because we have a bigger platform. I mean, I like to hear what other people think.
All right.
But me personally, me nothing wrong with if we get a pitney as a company instead of a man.
So everybody on the live, remember now, 400 did the it on the time, 300 add the it now. Everybody has said, you know if you do it, so you have to adapt. Everybody.
No, me no want to adapt. I want my own pitney.
She said, so it is settled. She's going to have Jesus come look more. She doesn't do her own opinion and she own opinion and she don't want a dog, she don't want a cat, she don't want a parrot, she don't want a bird, she don't want the snake in her house, she want a little baby. She want a goo gaga goo and that she want. You understand? So pretty icon.
Richie, for somebody where I try for much in ears and go get a pitney fit like bam, Father God just show us nothing wrong with it, you can't breathe. Why would I feel like me don't have the urge to want it back? A Father God show me nothing wrong with me, no girl, you can't breathe, you know?
Can't breathe. Then you don't breathe already, you have to can't breathe again. Now I'm take up like you.
You put a one time, Richie.
I have my little story read the teacher we just call.
Yeah, talk to it.
Alright. Me want to talk to you now, to see if I'm me alone seeing what I am seeing.
Yeah.
All right. I'm in America. I had my baby father in Jamaica.
Yeah.
All right. Backtrack. Before I come to America, when I was living, he moved in with me. I said, we have a disagreement, he move out. Baby come in picture, he move out again when me 5 months pregnant.
Yeah.
Come back again, he move out when the baby at 3 months pregnant. 3 months after the baby born.
Yeah. 3 move out.
Yes, 3 move out that. When the baby born, all right, the baby born in America. Him come up and him dead for the birth, him everything. And as we reach back down to Jamaica and move out again, 3 months.
Go
live with one ex-girlfriend and fear 3 children them.
4 move out that.
And him only have 1 child. All right, before me come in America now, but I always hear about some little work program. So I link my sister before we did there Jamaica.
Yeah.
She said she send us space no whatever. Anyhow, we go get a me left now and come and see me and make my way out. I end up him live
at the lady yard. So me end up have to say, me have bills and all of that. You know, me can't sit down and hold on, and me have another child. Me can't sit down and hold on pan baby.
Yeah.
Me have to go look it. Me have Margaret repair down there and all of that. So me left the baby with him. Me come up, still find a way to make him come up. Come me and say, you know, America, this is hard. You need the help.
Them say, why move out? Why move out 4 times?
him don't know if to deal with him don't know if him not stand up as a man to deal with situation. Him just
so when you're pregnant, you move out. You say when you're pregnant, you move out. And
yes.
Move out. So when your body did go through the changes. Because you never have no children before, right?
Yes.
So you'd have children before and then you have
Me did have a daughter before.
Okay, so when your body go through the changes, you get miserable and him couldn't do the miserableness.
Well, me tell him move out, but even before me pregnant.
So where move out for? Where move out for?
I don't. That's how he is. Not only me alone, but from the past. That's it. Before the argument, him rather to go.
So him rather go before you make him go. All right, him go 4 move out. And you talk to your sister about
the
program.
Me make him come now. Me come and me make a way for him. Me fine. Because we will leave it hard, you know, but the money can't make ya. Even though I know I move out and live with the ex-girlfriend, when say she did have 3 kids them already. So she wouldn't give him a child. Him go back, go live with her. Me come up now. Me say, all right, the baby born up here. Me want him come help me. Because I don't want my baby down there in the ghetto.
Right.
Richie, when him come up, he move out again. Me take him back again because me I say, boy, it's hard, you know, the rent for pay. And me have to do what me have to do. But me want the help, Richie, and me no want to take up nobody else. You understand me? Because, Anyhow, me get work fee, me get place for rent. Then we decide to say, all right, Catherine, me live with the woman down. Then when me take him up, it's not like, so we did really dead. Then I just baby mother, baby father. So when him come up here, I know him say, all right, we are going to work together so the baby can come and we sort ourselves out.
Right.
Richie, problem on top of problem. Me had to go get everything me see. Me elevate him, me push him up, me do this, me do that, me try. Because him come from out, me not like say ghetto like me.
Him come from Garrison youth.
Yeah, me no want downgrade it.
Nah, man.
So I am saying now, me do all of that. The last move out was Good Friday. He move out again. Yeah. So me now know said this is it for me.
6 move out this.
Yeah. So me can't do it for myself. No. Me realize that me have to go do it for myself and stop thinking about the baby. Because I was thinking about the baby.
Right.
Right? Give her a chance to be with her father, know what it is like to be raised by both parents and all of that.
Right.
So at this point now, I just have to do it by myself.
So me I try to understand something. You take him up and him come a foreign, right?
Yes.
Him live at Garrison. Him used to work.
Yes. Not to work, like some construction from time to time.
How him stay up at the head part, education wise? Him street smart or education smart, book smart?
At the type of man where we live, you have to be the one to push out.
So I'm just comfortable with being okay. No, I'm not really fussy
about okay, yes.
So anywhere when can get a sleep, that's where I'm go.
Right.
So basically where you say anywhere in belly full, that's where I'm go.
Right.
So you will get
pregnant.
Because if you
talk to anybody else with him, when me there with, I see a problem them have. So, him quick figure back my mother yard.
So when they say move out, I'm mother yard, he move go when he move back. He move out and go back in yard.
All the time, yeah. So, but at one time in Jamaica, I move out, go live with another woman.
So with fair woman, so only they are foreign now, right? I married him?
No.
Him come up on a program.
Right.
All right. So the two only the America now. And you decide, say, boy, you want him moving. And you have a young baby now. You have a child.
She has 6. She has 6 now.
Oh, she has 6 now. So you have a 6-year-old.
Mm-hmm.
So he move out when you're just pregnant. He move out after you're pregnant.
Mm-hmm.
He move out when you're there Jamaica.
Yes. And him come up here again and him move out already. Me take him back again because the rich part me live Richie, the rent high.
So Good Friday. Good Friday,
Mm-hmm.
the last move out, you say you're going to make him move out.
Yeah, last one this.
Because you love him, obviously, you love him.
Actually, yeah. And then again.
Lady, not afraid to say you love him. Stop. Alicia, don't afraid to say you love him. I don't know
Yes.
to say you love him. You love him, just
Yes,
say you love him.
I did and thought I could work because as me say, I was thinking about the baby.
So you don't think about yourself too?
Yeah, that me start to know. Because I really wanted her to.
Yeah, may I listen?
I really,
May I listen, man?
I really want her to get that little privilege then. And I was thinking the both of us here and work together. It could have happened. But apparently he doesn't want that.
You and him have a conversation. When him say, you try to talk to him about it and say, what the problem?
No, him not have, me not know Richie. We just cannot reach each other. And I think probably him have other intention that does not involve us, me and the baby.
So the communication with you and him, when you communicate better.
It don't feel like I'm me the problem, brother. Like literally, me one night time I think Father God probably only bless me with one pitney. I swear to God.
You can't breathe, man. You can't breathe. If I never feel you in my arms again, I'll never.
But girl left one, Richie, big up your damn self. I love one and I love the one on the comment section.
Yeah.
Let me tell you before I go. You see, the boy decide to fix up himself because I see a whole heap of red flag. You understand? Yeah, Richie, I see a whole heap of red flag. If there's red flag move and white flag move, we never know where the future hold. We never know the future hold, but right now it's not a man thing for me.
And a man,
you understand?
She want a baby, she don't want a man.
No. That's the man.
She don't want a man. Okay? So, JR, she does not want no man. She wants to have a constructive conversation about family in blank.
Right. Blank.
So, when me look on right now, the communication with the animal, have a sexual 6 times you take him in back already. You take him in back 3 times at Jamaica, you take him in back 3 times at foreign. He move out when you just a breed. He move out right after you get off picnic. And you take him in back. So guess what? Him sure of you. Because him would have over one place right now and I say, I'm a one man. Me have a lack. Me have just go every 6 months and then come back. Me have a ball to her and tell us I need back my family. And you have to just put a stop to it. Yes, you want him there in his daughter life and don't stop him from there in his daughter life. But you have to start focus by yourself.
Exactly. I think so too.
So all of them eye water, they wear a ball. Nobody ball them wear water. Save your eye water for when your daughter go on with something good at school and you look on her grades them and you say, Jesus Christ, I'm ball. Man, look at my daughter, why? I'm ball over your next daughter where you have. Ball over your 2 pitney them and then you have to save your eye water for. Save your strength. And nobody ball over a man when I ball over you. Because guess what? You are the one thing long time for yourself, you know. You go look place for him, get for rent. You go look work for him. You go do everything for him. Everything are you. I know me you say.
Just to show you help. It does make you don't want to help anybody again. Because people know just to me, I'm grateful.
Him know you stay, know say you love him. Me not gonna say him ungrateful, you know. Me not gonna say him ungrateful. Me gonna say him just sure of you. Him sure of you. Remember saying no. Momo